Thinking about bringing your partner to Canada, but feeling overwhelmed by the endless requirements and processes? You're not alone. Many couples hit roadblocks they never saw coming. Whether you're a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, bringing your partner to Canada can be a daunting task, especially when you're not familiar with the immigration process. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate this journey and make it as smooth as possible. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to bring your partner to Canada, from the common challenges and misconceptions to the specific requirements and processes involved. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what you need to do to reunite with your loved one in Canada. So let's get started on this journey together. And don't worry, I'll be with you every step of the way. Couples who wish to bring their partners to Canada often face a multitude of challenges, and one of the biggest hurdles is misinformation. Many people assume that bringing a partner to Canada is a straightforward process, but it's not always the case. In reality, there are many legal and procedural hurdles that couples need to overcome, and these hurdles can be extremely frustrating, especially when you're not familiar with the immigration process. For instance, many people assume that getting married to a Canadian citizen or permanent resident automatically grants their partner permanent residency, but that's not true. There are many steps involved, and each step requires careful planning and preparation. Another common misconception is that the immigration process is fast-tracked for couples who are married or in a common-law relationship, but that's not always the case. The processing time can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, including the type of visa, the country of origin, and the completeness of the application. Many couples also assume that the immigration process is a one-size-fits-all solution, but it's not. The process can vary greatly depending on individual circumstances, and what works for one couple may not work for another. The lack of transparency and information is another major challenge that couples face when trying to bring their partners to Canada. The immigration process can be complex and confusing, and it's often difficult to find accurate and reliable information. Additionally, couples may also face emotional and psychological challenges, including feelings of anxiety, frustration, and uncertainty. The immigration process can be a roller coaster of emotions, and it's essential to have a strong support system in place. Language barriers can also be a major obstacle for couples who wish to bring their partners to Canada. If the partner is not fluent in English or French, it can be challenging to navigate the immigration process, which can lead to delays and setbacks. Furthermore, cultural differences can also play a significant role in the immigration process. What may be considered normal in one culture may not be acceptable in another, and these cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. In addition, couples may also face financial challenges, including the cost of immigration lawyer fees, application fees, and other expenses related to the immigration process. Despite these challenges, many couples have successfully brought their partners to Canada, and you can too. To bring your partner to Canada, you'll need to apply for a spousal or common-law partner visa. There are two types of visas: inland sponsorship and overseas sponsorship. Inland sponsorship is for couples who are already living together in Canada, while overseas sponsorship is for couples who are living apart. To be eligible for a spousal or common-law partner visa, you and your partner must meet certain eligibility criteria, including proof of a genuine relationship, proof of income, and proof of language proficiency. You'll also need to gather a range of documents, including passports, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and police certificates. The processing time for a spousal or common-law partner visa can vary greatly, ranging from several months to several years. It's essential to submit a complete and accurate application to avoid delays and setbacks. You can also hire an immigration lawyer to help you navigate the process and increase your chances of success. In addition to the visa application, you and your partner may also need to undergo medical exams and interviews with immigration authorities. It's also important to note that your partner may need to meet certain language proficiency requirements, including a language test such as IELTS or CELPIP. In some cases, your partner may also need to meet certain education and work experience requirements. To increase your chances of success, it's essential to stay organized, stay informed, and stay patient throughout the process. I'd like to share a personal story of a couple who successfully brought their partner to Canada. Rahul and his partner, Emma, met while studying abroad in Australia. After falling in love, they decided to move to Canada, but they soon realized that the immigration process was much more complex than they anticipated. Despite the challenges they faced, they stayed focused, worked together, and eventually, Emma was granted permanent residency. Throughout the process, they learned many valuable lessons, including the importance of staying organized, staying informed, and staying patient. They also learned that it's essential to have a strong support system in place, including friends, family, and a qualified immigration lawyer. Their story is a testament to the fact that with perseverance, determination, and the right guidance, you can successfully bring your partner to Canada. In conclusion, bringing your partner to Canada requires careful planning, preparation, and patience. It's essential to understand the specific requirements and processes involved, including the common challenges and misconceptions that couples face. Remember, staying organized, staying informed, and staying patient are key to success in the immigration process. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on immigration and related topics.